Hello and welcome to Laravel Fundamentals course. In this course, we'll cover the fundamentals of Laravel and work through several hands-on example and project to solidify your understanding of the framework. Let's talk about why join this course. This course covers all the essential concept and feature of Laravel that you need to learn as a beginner. You will learn base coding practices like how to write clean code and how to optimize them. And in the course, there are many practical examples that will help you to understand Laravel more better way. Now let's view the application that we created in this course. As a fundamental course, we will be mainly focusing on core concept of Laravel, but also we will be doing many practical stuff along the side. So after gaining the basic Laravel knowledge, we will be creating a full CRUD application. Now let's see what kind of feature we implemented in this project. So in this project, we implemented Laravel Breeze for authentication. That means we have login and registration system in this application. So if I go to register, you'll be seeing a registration form where a user can register a new account in our application. Similar way, we have a login system. By this login form, a user can log in into our application. And also we have forget password feature. By this feature, user can reset his password. And all of this feature we created with Laravel Breeze. So we'll be learning about Laravel authentication and how to implement Laravel Breeze in our application. Now let's go back. Let's go to our login form. I'll be logging into my application. Let's give our credentials, login. And after login, you will redirect to this page. So in this page, you can see I am currently fetching all of my post data from the database and paginating them. And in here you can see we have more features, like if I want to view any kind of post, I can view it. If I click on show, that's gonna redirect me to view page and I can see that specific post, right? Then I can go back to my previous page. Similar way, we have this edit feature. If I click on edit, I can edit a specific post. Then we have this delete feature here. If I want to delete any kind of post, I can just click here, that's gonna delete my post. Okay. Then we have this create feature. By this create feature, we can create any kind of post in our application. Then if I go to this trash page, you will be seeing all the trash data. That means I can view all the deleted posts of my application. If I want to restore any kind of post, I can use this restore button for restore, or I can delete it permanently. Okay. If I click on restore, that's gonna restore this post. You can see the post has been disappeared. If I go back, the post has been recovered. Okay. Then we implemented this logout feature. If I click on logout, that's gonna log out this current user. So now let's talk about some of the topics that you will learn in this course. So in this course, I covered around 20 plus topics of Laravel. Here is some topic from them. So you'll be learning install and setting up Laravel, routing and controllers, views and templates, working with the forms, handling file uploads, working with database and Eloquent ORM, working with Eloquent relationship, authentication and authorization system, localization, and more. So that's it for course preview. I am confident that by the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in Laravel and the skill to build web application with confidence. So thanks for watching and I will be seeing you in the course.